Hello fellow crazies. I just received a package from Ghetto Sandbox. So yeah, and I thought we would open it because eek, who knows? If I die, I'll at least die on camera. No, super nice guy. So let's see. It is a book. It's called The Maze. Solve the World's Most Challenging Puzzles by Christopher Manson. I'm not going to read his real name. I don't think he wants that. It says here, a gift from Enjoy. I tried to include a cool keychain, but it wouldn't let me add marketplace items to the gift registry. The other thing will show up when it feels like it, I guess. Stop by the UG sometime if you want. Crouchman. UG. What's the UG? That's really cool. Thank you. Really. It seems like a really cool book. I love the illustrations. Check it. It's like these little riddles and everything. Let's see, what's the directions? This is not really a book. This is a building in the shape of a book, a maze. Each number page depicts a room in the maze. The doors in each room lead to other rooms. For example, the room on page 1 has doors leading to rooms on page 12, 26, 41, and 21. This is really, I'm going to really enjoy this. Thank you. I'm going to get started on reading that right after I finish with this hangout I'm about to join, and maybe play a couple rounds of Fortnite. But yeah, thanks again. Yay! And I'm looking forward to the keychain too. I'll post a picture of it when they're on my keys. Bye! You guys have a good night.